Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the Nuwave Infinity Commercial Blender, a powerful and heavy-duty blender designed for those who need a professional-grade appliance for their business or for heavy home use. This blender stands out from the competition with its 2.5 HP copper motor and laser cut blades, making it capable of handling even the toughest ingredients with ease. Let me break down the specs. The Nuwave Infinity Commercial Blender features a 2.5 HP copper motor, which provides incredible power and efficiency. The blender has 10 speeds, allowing for precise control over the blending process. The 64 ounces Tritan jar is BPA-free and shatter-resistant, making it perfect for handling large batches of ingredients. The blender also features laser cut blades, which are designed for maximum durability and efficiency. The motor is capable of reaching speeds of up to 25,000 revolutions per minute, making quick work of even the toughest ingredients. The blender also features a self-cleaning mode, which makes maintenance and upkeep a breeze. In terms of certifications, the blender is NSF certified, ensuring that it meets the highest standards of quality and safety. The blender weighs 15.5 pounds and has dimensions of 9.5 by 7.5 by 17.5 inches. The blender also features a sleek and durable design, with a stainless steel base and a comfortable grip. The blender's noise level is approximately 85 decibels, which is relatively quiet compared to other commercial blenders. The blender's warranty is 5 years, which provides peace of mind for users. In real-world use, the Nuwave Infinity Commercial Blender performs incredibly well. The blender is capable of handling large batches of ingredients with ease, and the 10 speeds provide precise control over the blending process. The blender is also incredibly quiet, making it perfect for use in busy commercial kitchens or for early morning smoothies at home. The build quality is also excellent, with a sturdy and durable design that can withstand heavy use. The blender's self-cleaning mode is also a game changer, making maintenance and upkeep a breeze. In terms of speed, the blender is incredibly fast, capable of blending even the toughest ingredients in a matter of seconds. Real-world reviews praise the Nuwave Infinity Commercial Blender for its incredible power and efficiency, with many users noting that it is capable of handling even the toughest ingredients with ease. Users also love the blender's durable design and self-cleaning mode, which make maintenance and upkeep a breeze. Additionally, users praise the blender's quiet operation, which makes it perfect for use in busy commercial kitchens or for early morning smoothies at home.